In this video, I will show you how to add cool CSS3 animations to your content. So search this plugin, animate it, then install and activate. And use this plugin after activation. If you are facing any problem or you want to help to learn this plugin, how to use it, so comment. I will create a new video about this plugin, how to use it. As we can see, already about 40,000 people are using this plugin and 121 rating. So this is the easy to use and popular plugin. Give it a try and share your experience. Thanks for watching.